Alright, what is going on, guys? I got a really quick video here. I'm actually changing out my hood struts. I just wanted to see exactly what you got to do to take it off before I made a video, instruction video how to do it. Whatever. Super easy. This is probably the easiest struts you could ever change. I can't believe how easy it is. Sometimes they're a pain trying to pull the clips off, but as you can see, I got this one in. The old one's over there, so I'm going to show you guys how to pop it off. I just got myself a little flathead screwdriver here. Now, I would use vice grips. I got vice grips here too. I ended up using. I'm going to just see if the hood will stay up with the one strut. I don't think it will, but I'm actually kind of just curious to see. So I'm going to set you down. I don't even know where. I guess I'll try to set you down here. I'll start the top one. Just really got to get a good angle on it, and then once you pull the clip off, should just pop right off like so. Oh, you know what? I should probably get the strut before I do this. Okay, well, don't do what I'm doing because I'm an idiot. Get the strut first. Here it is. Yeah, I got these for Christmas. Someone got these for me. My father got them for me, so got myself some new struts here. Of course, gotta get the bag open. The other bag was ripped open, so I was kind of fortunate. This one is not ripped open, so now I gotta get this one open. Alright, perfect. Got the new strut there. Get the flathead. Oh, of course, it clipped back in. Yeah, you just pull this clip off, push. Same thing with this. Just find the clip, push it off, pop it out. Yeah, I'm good. Sure? Yep. And then you just repeat the process. Make sure you got it on the right side. Struts, the tube here, clicks in on the bottom. Should just pop right on. There you go. Pop this one up here in the place. Make sure it lines up. You should hear it pop. Where's my mallet? Just bang a little bit. There you go, guys. It's really as easy as that. Just make sure they're popped in place on both sides, and should just pop right up now. Boom, just like that. My hood actually stays up now. Oh my god, it's a miracle. Goes down easy. Once it gets around to this point, it goes nice and soft. Once it gets to there, boom, pushes the hood right up. So real easy to do if you're looking to change out your struts. Sometimes, like I said, these clips can be a pain, really be a pain in the ass, but it actually wasn't that bad at all. That's probably the easiest struts I've ever changed out. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it. If I don't make another video before New Year's, have a happy New Year's, guys, and you know, let's have a good next year on the channel. Alright, see you guys later.